Tired of juggling countless apps and missing crucial WhatsApp messages, turning your business into a productivity black hole? Well, buckle up, because in the next 90 seconds, we're going to show you how to connect Pabbly Connect to Aisensy WhatsApp, unlocking a world of automation and streamlining your business like never before. First, log into your Pabbly Connect account. If you don't have one yet, there's a link in the description to get started. Once you're in, click on the Create Workflow button. Give your workflow a descriptive name, like CRM to WhatsApp notifications, and select the app you want to trigger the workflow. For instance, your CRM, choose the trigger event, such as new contact created. Pabbly Connect will then provide you with a webhook URL. Copy this URL, you'll need it soon. Now, head over to your chosen trigger app, paste the webhook URL into the designated webhook field. Then your CRM settings. It tells your CRM to send data to Pabbly Connect whenever the trigger event occurs. Next, log into your Aisensy account. Make sure your WhatsApp Business app is properly set up and active. Now, back in Pabbly Connect, click the plus button below your trigger app to add an action step. Search for Aisensy WhatsApp and select it for the action event. Choose Send WhatsApp Message. You'll now be prompted to connect your Aisensy account. Click Connect and enter your Aisensy API key. You can find your API key in your Aisensy account settings under API keys. Now, you need a message template approved by WhatsApp in Aisensy. If you don't have one, create a new template in your Aisensy account with placeholders for the data you want to include, like the contact's name and any other relevant information. For example, hello, 1. Thank you for contacting us, or 1 will be the contact's name. Back in Pabbly Connect, map the data from your trigger app to the corresponding fields in the Aisensy action. For instance, map the contact name field from your CRM to the one placeholder in your WhatsApp template. Enter the recipient's WhatsApp number with the country code. Finally, click the Test Request button to send a test WhatsApp message. Check your WhatsApp to confirm that the message was sent successfully. And there you have it. You've successfully connected Pabbly Connect to Aisensy WhatsApp. Now you can automate your workflows, streamline your communication, and take your business to the next level.